Jatend migao mar arita Kipchumba MURKOMEN okoni Sirkal chano keto omenda omenda manyien mar konyo tieko nonro ewi nek manotimore bungu ma Shakahola. MURKOMEN manolimo kaunti ma Kilifi okwayo familia mag ji manowito wedegi Shakahola mondo wuog oko kendo chiw nyinyo mag DNA mondo konye yango ringre joma ne otho manyaka sani pok oyangi. Okoni poni ringre jomoko ok oyangi tinyalo bi gi Shakahola kaka kar rapar mar nek mar oganda mane owito ngimagi kaluwore kod puonj mobam mag din.
So we are putting a lot of effort, but maybe in the next financial year we need to have a particular budget for closing Shakahola. Based on my briefing I've received here, I really think that there is need for a one-off budget that takes care of both collection of information, of samples, but most importantly in terms of final leg in terms of investigation, but also what to do with the people who are unable to come forward. We are unable to get DNA samples. What do we do with the site? You know, can we make it a memorial site for remembrance of these victims of, unfortunately, religious extremism and radicalization, and therefore so that it can become a place where it will remind us about our failures as a society to protect those who are victims of radicalization and religious extremism.